I'm Amanda Cox, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing at the beautiful JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort. So this resort is at the conclusion of a 3-year, $320 million reinvention of paradise. So we are reintroducing the JW Marriott Marco Island as Paradise Redefined, because no matter what paradise means to you, whether it's a beautiful new guest room, phenomenal new restaurants, or a beautiful new convention center, we have that here to offer. I think some of the most impactful changes in the meeting industry, while we've only grown the resort by a small number of guest rooms to 810 total guest rooms, we've literally doubled our interior function space. So the JW Marriott Marco Island now offers over 120,000 square feet of indoor function space, and then a 10.1 acre private beach that we like to consider our largest ballroom with unlimited ceiling height. I think one of the other really exciting parts of Paradise Redefined is Paradise by Serene. It's our new experience that's curated exclusively for adults. It's just 94 guest rooms and suites on the top 5 floors of our Lanai Tower, and it's a really exciting new way to experience paradise. It's a great opportunity for incentive programs to have yet another tier to differentiate upgrades. It's a phenomenal experience for a smaller board meeting to really have an intimate meeting in this hidden enclave within our luxury resort. We're really excited about the brand new customer it's going to bring to the JW Marriott Marco Island.